on the screen here is my original Google Docs for the third section of the Basic Tools badge. And to create this on Google Docs, you have to first have a Google account, which I do up here. And then to create one, you need to go to just Google Docs and Home and click blank, and then just start from there. And here is my first one I made, and as you can see from it, I have corrections made from somebody and also some advice on what I could add to make it better. And I think this tool really helps because sometimes when you're working on your own stuff, you can't necessarily see all the mistakes you've made or anything else like that just because you're so focused on what you wrote and you know exactly how you wrote it, so you read it like that in your head. So that's why I think that's a very good tool. You can just see the mistakes you made. And also because they can give you advice on certain areas and topics that they maybe don't understand. Even though you understand it yourself, they don't necessarily understand it, so they can tell you that so you can better explain it, which is what I did in my revised version of this Google Doc. So then, to revise it, I just made a new Google Doc called Google Docs as a Collaborative Tool Revised. And as you can see, for the final revised version, I made my corrections and changes and took the person's advice and added more information so it was clearly understandable and easy to make sense. They weren't lost. They knew exactly what I was talking about.